welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in and joining us. If you enjoy the content on here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video as it helps me with the algorithm, y'all. I know. One little thumbs up does all of that. And leave a comment down below because your girl responds to everything. You know, I plan my budgets on here. I tell y'all what I do with my money and I tell you what I'm gonna do with my money. So if you like that content, please hit that subscribe button and join the fam. But as you guys can see, the money is already spread out because your girl ain't got no time to waste. Because the sunlight's going down, so let's just get into it. So I usually start off with cash envelopes, but let's switch it up. Let's start off with sinking funds. So, yeah, little Bible. Let's get started, little Bible. Okay, so the first thing we have is health. And health is getting $10. You know, health is literally for like some Advil, some Band-Aid, all of that. That's all that is for. Well, not far, but that's all that is for. So that was health. Then I have that's a lie. I got small business. I was like, what happened? But next after health, I have small business. So this is to support all my little Etsy shop owners, you know, buy some stickers and all that. That's what this is for. And this is also my little savings for Cyber Monday and Black Friday. So I'm trying to get it up to 200 or maybe like 100 to 200 by the time Black Friday comes. I know it's September. I started late. Don't judge me. But that's what small business is. New base is for my base that I'm going to. If you don't know, your girl's in the military and she is leaving here soon. I currently live in South Korea, but I'm leaving soon. And so that's what new base is for. Maintenance is, you know, car maintenance. You know, that girl, we always got to keep her clutch because we never know what she's going to come in need. So that gets $20 for car maintenance. Then clothing doesn't get anything because she was stacked. Family birthdays, they already been, you know, deposited, already gone in there since the paycheck from August 31st. So I don't need nothing for family birthdays. My birthday, however, gets $20 because last time I only stuffed 30 and I'm a $50 a month type of girl, you know. The goal is 600 by birthday and the birthday is in June, so we on our way. So that was $20 for my birthday. Travel funds gets $75. So I'm going to take a 50. I'm going to take 2 10s since we got a whole bunch of 10s, and I'm going to take a 5. And so, ooh, don't do that. And that is $75. I'm going to put them this way. And then we're just going to stuff them in here. So that's $75 for travel. I was putting in $60 a month. And I was like, little baby, where you think you're going to go? Outside your door? That ain't going to pay for a plane ticket. It ain't going to pay for the rental car or the hotel room. What you going to do for activities? Sis, girl, I know we in a pandemic, but it ain't forever. So that was travel funds. Miscellaneous, she is getting $17, and I'm gonna give her a 10 and a couple ones. So I'm gonna give her 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So $17 goes for miscellaneous. I try to give her more than 10 because I be using miscellaneous, y'all. And I'm trying so hard this week not to overspend because I spent way too much last week. So I'm trying so hard to be in budget this week, guys. So miscellaneous gets $17 because we never know what we might need. And these pop-ups be popping up. Like, why you popping up though? You know? Like, but it's a budget. You know? That's why it's called miscellaneous. Computer gets $5. I'm going to take a 5 from right here. Work with me. Computer gets $5 because I recently just bought a new computer and it was a short notice and your girl was not prepared. So now she's staying prepared. So I bought me a computer, which I might change that to tech because I might get a new phone. I have an iPhone 8 right now. Ugh. But I have an iPhone 8 right now. I might change it. It's fully paid off and everything, but I might change it. I don't know yet. YouTube gets $5. The thing for me though is that it's a new bill and I don't want a new phone bill. That phone works perfectly fine. I might change the case out just to make me feel like it's brand new. You better get into it. Then Christmas doesn't get anything because we only stuff Christmas once a month. So let's move on to cash envelopes since that was our sinking funds. Let's move on to cash envelopes. All right. So bank deposit. This is just for what we're putting in the bank. We don't put nothing in there. Groceries gets $200, and I think that is all 50s. Oh, well, I have 3 50s. So I'll do a 20. I'll do 2 20s and a 10. There we go. So that is 200. Right? Yep, 200. So let's put that in order. That's 200 for groceries. So we can put that in here. Who's next? Go, go, go. Oh, car gas. Car gas is next. Car gas has $2 from the first 2 weeks I had to put gas in my car. So now we're going to do 25, which is for the second 2 weeks of the month. We're going to put $25 for car gas. I like this 5 being in the front. Let's put a 5 in the back. Next, we have hair care. Hair care gets $40. So I'm going to just do all 10s. I'm going to do all 10s. I hope I have enough. But they get $40. The sun's going down 1. See, girl is trying to get this wrapped up and, you know, record this for y'all. Toiletries gets $10. So I'm just going to put that 10. I'm just going to take a 10 from here and put it in toiletries. Who's next? Go, go, go. House stuff is next. She gets $10 too. They about the same. But, you know, house stuff, she be buying laundry detergent, fabric softener, you know, the dryer sheet. She be doing a lot, so she be needing more coins. But she getting $10 this time. Stella Rose, which is my personal care, she getting $20. She has money in here now because I haven't gone to get my Stella. I thought about it today, but I just drove home. Actually went and drove and got food for dinner tonight, and then I drove home, but maybe this weekend she gonna get spent because Stella be getting spent, little baby. So going away dinner doesn't get anything. Spending money gets $21. Is it 21? No, she gets $19. So I'm gonna do a 10 and 9 wands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So she gets $19. Y'all, I forgot something. I know exactly what it was because I saw this extra money and it's like, bruh, what's up? What's good? Let me know. Let me know. Who do I need to fight? Even though it's only me. But what's up? And then going out gets $40. So I'm going to take 2 20s since, you know, we have a whole bunch of 20s over there. We're going to put that in here and then we're going to close. And that is it for our cash envelope. So I'm going to move that out the way as well. Now I have, let's see, I should have $84. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Yep, $84. So what that is, right? So for some reason, I started saving my new base sinking funds in my bank. And so I did a little changing around, maneuvering of my bank or whatever. And so that $84, I had to take it out. And so I'm going to deposit it into new base, because that's what it was for. And yeah, that's really all it was. I had an extra $84 for new base in my bank account, and I took it out so I can put it in here so I can keep everything together. So the only other thing left is these $2. What I do is I take my pan, which has this money in there, and I'm going to count this at the end of the year, guys. I was going to wait until I was leaving, but I'll just count at the end of the year. And I'm just gonna add this $2 to it. So we just wrap this around, put that back on, and then, yeah. That's it. That is all my cash stuffing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it does help me with the algorithm so that other people can see my videos, guys. Also, make sure you leave a comment down below because the girl loves to have a conversation with you. And also, don't forget to share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. You know, we share with our loved ones, our, you know, fave ones, and our enemies. Share it, family, friend, and a foe. And also, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because if you do enjoy the content here, subscribe for more. Anyways, my name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't